Hey guys, what's up? It's Pluto here, and this is a quick unboxing and first impressions video for my new phone. Here's the case for it. It's just a Spigen TPU one. But yes, well, remembering after just pointing towards me, I have got myself a POCO X5 Pro. Now, there's nothing wrong with my old phone, which was the Moto G9 Power, but it did have like 4 gigabytes of RAM, and it did end up becoming slow and laggy with a work profile that had to be installed on my phone for work. So I just need something more functional, a bit better camera, 5G, and still keeping that dual SIM functionality. Yeah, so this has 8 GB RAM. I don't know if you can see it. 8 GB RAM and then 256 gigabytes of storage. That should be more than enough for me, which is good because I don't think there is micro SD expansion for this phone. Let's pop off the cover. I do like the black and yellow color scheme. I did end up going with the black color just because I knew I was going to put a case on it since I'm pretty active, and no use in paying extra money to hide that beautiful yellow color anyways. So you move the black cover and it's this nice beautiful yellow POCO box. If I just shake it, the weight of the phone should pop it off. So they actually have this little pack above the phone, so we'll go for this first. This is like a case. Some manufacturers have started including cases with their phones. Okay, yeah, so we have our SIM removal tool. Always nice to have one of those. Pretty nice box. We have our manuals. There's a lot of manuals. Okay. And then yes, we have an included case. Now, the reason why I bought a new case instead of using this one is that I had a very similar case on my Moto G9 Power, and these guys yellow very quickly, and they end up looking very ugly. Now, if this new case ends up being scuffed up, then I might as well put this one on while it's not yellowed, and then I can put like stickers and stuff underneath it. But I think for now I want to have this TPU case that's a bit more rugged and a bit more grippy than these ones. I've dropped my phone a lot of times when that case gets old from sunlight and use and the oils in your hand and stuff like that. So this way, a bit of forward thinking. Buy the case with the phone while it's still popular and available, and then use the inbuilt one later when the new one that you bought with the phone failed. So 2 cases. That way I don't have to worry about the case getting old and disintegrating before the phone does. So first thoughts, nice and hefty phone. The camera is a bit larger than what I'm used to. You can really feel it on the phone, like the balance is... It's like almost in the middle. It's like right actually at a pretty good spot. So I think most of the battery is at the very bottom here, and then you have the weight of the camera over there, and then should be, yeah, center balance is like right there, which is nice. Okay, what else do we have? So this is an international phone, so we do get an EU charger. I think this phone itself was from Spain, but oh, I was about to say like it's a very nice texture, but this is just the paper wrapping. Now you might be asking why I'm holding on to this. I do travel a lot, and I do have the like universal brick, so something like this is very nice, especially for countries that have 240 volts. Yeah, this has 240 volt support. They give us a nice, long USB-C cable. Not too sure about the white color, but I see they're going for a theme here. Is there any more goodies in the box? I don't think so. I think this is actually just like one piece. It's folded in from the sides. Yeah, it's actually glued into place here. I don't know if you can see, it's glued in. So I think that's everything. So see the specs: Snapdragon 778G, octa-core CPU, 120 hertz, full HD display. That's probably like the thing that I'm most excited about is going up, because my old phone, the Moto G9 Power, had a 720 display, and now I'm moving up to a much more fluid and a much more high resolution display. Camera, that's also a big upgrade. I think the camera on the G9 Power is like 64 megapixels, so almost doubling it. And then the high capacity battery and the turbocharging. The main reasons why I chose this phone is the dual SIM support, the camera, and then mostly just the cost. Well, I think they already put a screen protector on there for us, which is kind of cool, I guess. You can see the giant camera bump. And then please keep this label intact to protect your consumer rights. Since I'm putting a case on, I'm just going to leave it there. Screw it. Yeah, it just says 5G on there. Xiaomi Communications, designed by POCO. Trying to figure out what POCO is. But yeah. I believe this phone is like the same exact as the Xiaomi Note 12 or something. But yeah, the Spigen case works pretty well. Having 2-speaker is nice actually, because I watch a lot of YouTube on my phone. And yeah, pretty much check the cameras. Just clean it. Apparently this is also a touch sensor. I don't know how that works. Like thumb, do you put your thumb on it? I'm used to the G9 Power, the touch sensor is on the back here. I do like this case. I do like the size of the phone. It's the same as my old phone. It's a very nice size, like easy to one hand. And yeah, nothing more to do but to turn it on and set it up. But yeah, this has been a first impressions and unboxing of the what was it called again? POCO X5 Pro. We got it booting up here. And yeah, once I set it up, I should hopefully have more thoughts on it. But I probably won't do a like review just because there's already videos out there and people that have more phones, so they have more of a benchmark to review something on. Because whatever I'm going to say doesn't really make sense, since I have no other comparisons to base it off of. Something like Linus Tech Tips or something, where they have like so many India, okay, so many phones to base stuff off of. Cool. Yeah, I'll go ahead and set this up. I'm excited for my new phone. But hopefully you enjoyed this quick unboxing and quick overview of the phone. If you were interested in getting it, probably leave in the description my thoughts after using it for like a day or two, as I usually do with my videos. I don't think it warrants me breaking out the camera and just talking about stuff that I can't really show you, and stuff that I don't really care about passionately, because at the end of the day, it's just a phone, it's just a tool. And yeah, I can't really make good comparisons saying like, oh, this camera is better or this screen is better. Like, it's good enough, it's good enough. Anyways, yeah, this is Pseudo Pluto out. Hope you guys enjoy your day. See you guys later.